What's up guys? Today we are going to learn how to find out maximum and minimum oxidation number. Well, so to find out maximum and minimum oxidation number is a easy process. Just you have to know how to do electronic configuration of a atom, right? You see that this is a chlorine atom and its atomic number is 17. So if you do electronic configuration, then you will get this. So from this electronic configuration of chlorine, you see that the highest principal quantum number is 3. So the outermost shell or valence shell is n equal to 3, and you see there is 7 electron, right, in its valence shell. So according to the definition of maximum oxidation number, uh, the maximum oxidation number will be the number of electron in outermost shell or valence shell. So here the total number of electron in valence shell or outermost shell is 7. So the maximum oxidation number of chlorine is plus 7, right? In maximum oxidation number we have to take a positive sign, right? And in case of minimum oxidation number we'll take just minus sign. Well, so here is the maximum oxidation number of chlorine plus 7. Now we will find out the minimum oxidation number of chlorine. So to find out minimum oxidation number, we have to consider the electronic configuration of a atom in excited state, right? So what will be the electronic configuration of chlorine in excited state? Here it is, right? So uh, in this case we have to think the odd number of electron in valence shell. So here you see that there is one odd number of electron in the valence shell of chlorine. So the minimum oxidation number will be -1, right? Just we have to consider the odd number of electron and we have to take the -1. So minimum oxidation number is equal to, in excited state, the number of odd electron in valence shell. So I hope you have understood what I want to uh, say to you. So here is another example. You know that the nitrogen's atomic number is 7. So here is the electronic configuration of nitrogen. So what is the maximum principal quantum number? Here is 2. So this is valence shell or outermost shell. So what will be the maximum oxidation number? Maximum oxidation number will be +5. As you know that maximum oxidation number is equal to the number of electron in valence shell in normal state, right? In normal state. But in case of minimum oxidation state, we have to think about the excited states electronic configuration of an atom. Here is the electronic configuration of nitrogen. We see that there are 3 odd number of electron here. Well, here we are getting 3 odd number of electron. So minimum oxidation number will be -3, right? So by this way you can now able to find out the oxidation to find out the maximum oxidation number and minimum oxidation number. Thank you for viewing this video. Be well.